Welcome back to Dish Nation. Well, Madonna is no stranger to openings. She's been opening her mouth and her heart and her legs for the last 40 years of her career. Many, many, many times. But she's currently in Malawi, South Africa for the opening of the country's very first pediatric center, where she named it the Mercy James Center for Pediatric Surgery and Intensive Care.
Oh,
Mercy James, of course, is one of the 4 children from Malawi that Madonna adopted. At the opening, she addressed the crowds and opened it up about the moment a female judge actually almost denied her adoption rights. She said, "I was recently divorced, and she informed me as a divorced woman I was not fit to raise children and that Mercy James was better off growing up in an orphanage."
This judge says, no, this child or these children are better off in a Malawian orphanage than to be
better with no parents than with just one. I mean, come on.
If you could be adopted by a celebrity like Madonna, who would it be?
Well, I'm torn between 3. Either Sally Field, Meryl Streep, or Oprah Winfrey. Those I'm really torn.
Really?
Yeah.
I would love to be adopted by Dolly Parton.
You'd still be breastfeeding.
Nummy num num.
You'd be breastfeeding from 9 to 5.